In this question, two statements are given, and based on these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1: autoimmune disorder is a condition where body defense mechanism recognizes its own cells as foreign bodies. Now it is correct. An autoimmune disorder occurs when the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own cells, recognizing them as foreign. Statement 2: rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where body does not attack self cells. Now it is incorrect. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the immune system does attack the body's own cells, particularly the joints, causing inflammation. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Options A, C, and D are incorrect as these includes incorrect combinations.